Hello, what is up guys? Tech KJ here. Today I'm gonna review Moto X Play. This phone I have used it for a couple of months, and first of all the phone has 5.5 inch of screen size, and it has screen resolution of 1080 pixels. Many people might say that phone that has big screen so it doesn't come in handy, but after using it for few days you will get used to it. The benefits of having large screen and HD screen is to watch great HD videos and play games, and it gives a theater effect while watching a movie. And the other thing that adds up to the theater effect is the front facing speakers. As you can see, these are the front facing speakers. This is microphone, don't get confused. On left side it has microphone, and on right side it has speakers. Next thing comes is the front facing camera. It has 5 megapixel of front facing camera, and it takes quite good decent photos with its front camera. I have clicked great amount of photos using this phone. It clicks awesome photos with its front camera. Let me open the first front camera for you. As you can see, the front camera is very good and it takes clear pictures, and this is the focus setter. Anywhere you can set it and change the focus, and this is manual exposure setting. You can change the exposure manually. The next best things comes is it has 21 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash. The rear camera of this phone is very good. The best thing about this phone is the rear camera, and it takes awesome photos. Let me open the rear camera for you. Let me take a photo. It takes no time clicking the photo. You can change the exposure here and manually change the focus and click the photos. It has beautiful camera, and the phone also has the slow-mo camera which allows you to take slow motion videos. The next things comes is its back. It has rubbery back which allows the phone to set itself intact in the hand. It doesn't allow the phone to slip through your hand. This is the safety feature of the phone. We cannot remove its back. It's non-removable and has non-removable battery. At the bottom has USB port which is used for charging and transferring the files, and the top consists of aux slot, and here we can insert dual SIM and a memory card which supports up to 128 GB. And on the right side it has lock button and volume rocker. As you can see, the lock button has some grills on it, so we can easily find it and click on it without seeing the phone. The next best thing about the phone is it has 3 mics. One mic is here, and another mic is here, and another mic is here. This allows the phone to listen to your commands easily. As the phone has Moto voice, it listens to your commands easily. Let me show you. Now let me show you some commands. Okay Moto X, what's the weather today?
Today's forecast for Indore is 28
See,
degrees and sunny.
it catches the phrase so well. As it has many mics, the best feature, this is one of the best feature of the phone. Then the next comes is its twist gesture to open the camera. You have to twist twice to open the camera. See, it takes no seconds to open the camera. If you twist it again, it will open the front facing camera. This is one of the best feature that allows you to quick capture the moments. See, I will show you how to quickly take photos. I twisted it and quickly took a photo. It took me no seconds to click a photo. The next best feature of the phone is its battery. It has 3600 mAh of battery which allows the phone to run for nearly 2 to 3 days. I have used it roughly by playing games and watching videos. It took me nearly 2 days to drain the phone's battery. And the next best thing is it has 2 GB of RAM which allows you to play big games and handle multitasking easily. This phone also has a feature called ambient display. Whenever you pick up your phone, it will automatically show you some notification. As you can see, there is a lock button and also notification panel. Overall, the phone is good daily driver It has a great camera and great battery life with awesome screen. You can go for it. This is my daily driver nowadays. It has great qualities and it is not that costly. It will cost you nearly $250. According to me, you should buy this phone. Thank you for watching my video. Happy learning.